Hey guys, so today's video I'm taking you with me to Louis Vuitton to pick up my repaired item. If you're interested, stay tuned. So we're back from the store. I wanted to talk a little bit more about what it is that I actually had repaired, so you can see that. So I was given a brand new dust bag for this item, and let's open it up. So what I had repaired was the Louis Vuitton bucket bag in the GM size. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy with the repair. It is a vintage item. So it has a really beautiful honey patina on the outside. I didn't really feel the need to do a complete repair on the outside as it really didn't need it. The areas that really needed the repair were the top leather lining and the interior, which completely got a facelift from new pockets, new zippers. It was completely unusable, sticky, and peeling everywhere, so I had to get it done. So when I purchased this bucket bag on, I believe, Tradesy, it didn't come with the pochette that it normally does. It did get a new chain and a new date code as well. It's DK 4240. This particular date code, according to Louis Vuitton standards, it just means that this particular item was relined, and this DK code only applies to relined items. As far as my experience in store, it was my first time getting an item repaired. It was a really good and smooth, easy experience. The SA inspected my bag, made recommendations, and gave me a quote. This particular repair was $150 for the inner lining and rim. So I really wanted the pochette to complete the set. So I just asked my SA if I could get one, and he was able to get me one. So a really fun way to use this little guy is by adding like a chain and making it like a small crossbody bag is what most people end up using it for. Or you can just leave it attached to the bucket bag and use it as an extra pouch for storage inside. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you enjoy content like this, please leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite Louis Vuitton bag style is, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.